Peekoo, this is my favorite toy car. Wow, it looks super fast. My toy car. Uh-oh, that doesn't look good. Dad will be upset if he finds out.
Maybe we can fix it? What if we hide it?
I don't know. But hiding the truth might make things worse.
You might be right.
Are you going to tell your dad?
I'm still thinking.
You can do it, Teekoo.
Okay, I'll tell the truth.
Dad, I need to tell you something. I accidentally broke my toy car.
It was an accident.
I'm sorry. You did the right thing telling the truth. I feel a little better now. Maybe we can fix it together.
Steady, steady.
Got it!
It's fixed. Teamwork.
Eye-catcher! I'm glad I told the truth.
Truth always helps. Remember, truth is always truth.
Thanks for helping me, Peekoo. Best friends always help.
Telling the truth makes problems smaller and hearts lighter.
And truth is always truth.
Yeah.
Honesty makes problems smaller and hearts lighter.
Truth is always truth.